Hello, future investors. Welcome to another insightful episode brought to you by Prospero Wealth. I'm your host Sanika, and today we have a fascinating topic lined up for you. We're diving into the world of millennial investors and their impact on the Indian market. So, buckle up as we explore the dynamic landscape of investments, the India growth story, and some compelling case studies that demonstrate the potential for lucrative opportunities. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. Why India? Well, my friends, India is not just a country, it's an economic powerhouse on the rise with a population of over 1.3 billion people, a burgeoning middle class, and a rapidly evolving digital landscape. India is presenting a plethora of opportunities for savvy investors. So, if you're wondering where the next big wave of growth is, you're in the right place. Before we delve into the millennial perspective, let's set the stage by understanding the India growth story. Over the past few decades, India has transformed from a developing nation to one of the fastest growing major economies in the world. The implementation of economic reforms, the rise of technology, and a youthful demographic have played pivotal roles in this transformation. India's GDP has been consistently growing, and the government's initiatives such as Make in India and Digital India are fostering an environment conducive to business and innovation. The youth, particularly millennials, are becoming significant players in this narrative, leveraging technology to explore and participate in the financial markets like never before. Now, let's zoom in on millennials and their roles in shaping the Indian investment landscape. Millennials born between the early 1980s and mid 1990s are not just tech savvy, they're also financially literate and eager to make their money work for them. Unlike previous generations, they are turning to the stock market and other investment avenues at a younger age. Many millennials in India are breaking away from traditional investment paths, seeking alternatives like mutual funds, stocks, and even cryptocurrency. The ease of access to information and online trading platforms has democratized investing, allowing even those with modest incomes to participate in the market. A perfect example of this shift is the rise of online trading platforms. Take the case of Zerodha, a Bengaluru based company founded in 2010. Zerodha revolutionized the brokerage industry in India by introducing a discount pricing model, making trading more affordable for the masses. Today, it boasts millions of users, many of whom are millennials entering the market for the first time. The success of platforms like Zerodha showcases the appetite among millennials for a more inclusive and cost-effective approach to investing. It's not just about numbers on a screen, it's about financial empowerment and taking control of one's destiny. Now let's talk about the role of FinTech in the hands of millennials. Companies like Paytm, PhonePe, and others have not only transformed the way people make payments, but have also ventured into wealth management services. The convenience of managing finances through a smartphone has appealed to the tech-savvy millennials, making investing more accessible than ever. Imagine being able to invest in mutual funds or buy stocks with just a few taps on your phone. It's not just a vision, it's a reality for many millennials in India. These fintech platforms are not only streamlining the investment process, but also providing valuable insights and educational resources, empowering investors to make informed decisions. One of the key characteristics of millennial investors is their inclination towards diversification. Unlike previous generations that might have favored traditional assets, millennials are more open to exploring a diverse range of investment options. Let's explore this trend and its impact on the Indian market. Millennials are not putting all their eggs in one basket. They are diversifying their portfolios across various asset classes, including equities, mutual funds, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. This approach not only mitigates risk but also aligns with the dynamic and evolving nature of the global economy. A prime example of this diversification trend is the growing interest in cryptocurrencies. While the debate around the future of digital currencies continues, there's no denying the enthusiasm among millennials. The case of WazirX, a cryptocurrency exchange in India, exemplifies this trend. In just a few years, it has become one of the go-to platforms for trading cryptocurrency. Now, whether you're a supporter or a skeptic of cryptocurrencies, the fact remains that millennials are actively engaging with these digital assets. It's a new frontier that adds an intriguing layer to the traditional investment landscape. While the growth story and the rise of millennial investors in India are undeniably exciting, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges and opportunities that come with it. Let's break down some key aspects that investors, especially millennials, need to consider. Firstly, market volatility is a reality. While the potential for high returns exists, so does the risk of market fluctuations. It's crucial for investors to stay informed, diversify their portfolios, and adopt a long-term perspective to navigate the ups and downs. A valuable lesson can be learned from the market corrections of the past. Take the case of the 2008 financial crisis. Many investors who weathered the storm and stayed invested were eventually rewarded as markets recovered. This resilience is a trait that millennials should embrace as they embark on their investment journey. On the flip side, economic challenges can also present opportunities. During times of uncertainty, undervalued assets may emerge, providing astute investors with the chance to capitalize on potential growth in the long run. As we wrap up today's episode, it's clear that the landscape of investing in India is evolving, and millennials are at the forefront of this change. The India growth story continues to unfold, presenting a canvas of opportunities for those who are willing to explore and understand the nuances of the market. Remember, the key to successful investing is knowledge, patience, and adaptability. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious millennial taking your first steps, the Indian market offers a tapestry of possibilities. Share your tips, stories, and questions in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for joining, and see you next time.